Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be my first premiere. I've never been to a premiere before. I'm really excited. I've been in LA 4 years. How crazy is that? And I'm really excited to go tonight. So I got my lashes off. I'm feeling like a little kid right now. Like when you have lash extensions, you just feel a whole nother level of feeling yourself. And now I'm like, meh. I don't even know what I'm gonna wear tonight. I just decided a few days ago I was gonna go and the time got away from me. So hopefully I have something cute like in my closet to wear. I'm gonna start getting ready. I wanted to vlog and bring you guys with me. I have been having so much fun vlogging lately, you know, beauty vlogs and just life vlogs. And you guys have given me great feedback. So we are continuing the vlog trend today. I was gonna go to the mall today and bring you guys with me, but I don't think I have time. And I just got the email that red carpet is earlier than I thought it was. So I'm gonna hurry up and get ready now and transform because who is she right now? I'm about to go with my glow up and I'm gonna transform myself with makeup and play, and let's do this. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and we'll go to my first Hollywood premiere. Do you wanna go? Let's go, come on, let's go to the premiere. Imagine that you're my plus one, Molly. Sorry, Aspen, Molly asked first. All right, so these are the outfits I've narrowed down to. These two dresses are like a similar vibe. It's like classy, long sleeves, corseted, middle, kind of like mid-length. I have this long black dress that's really pretty. It has like slits that go up on each side. This dress I've had forever and I never wore it, but I don't really know what I would wear underneath. And then I have two tighter fit dressings. I actually really like the nude one on. It's really, really pretty. All right, let's start makeup in the meantime. I'm just gonna do like a neutral look that could go with any of these. So let's get started with the makeup. I'm gonna go through it kind of quickly, but I'll list every product I use in the description bar. First things first, I'm gonna start with some lip balm. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. oil all over my skin to prep the skin, and then I'm gonna add the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer to fill in all my pores. I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever foundation stick. This is one of my favorite photography foundations. I mean, it's medium to full coverage and it won't give any flashback. It looks so nice in photography, and we try to get that red carpet, no white flashback, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna use a darker concealer to contour, so I'm gonna add this in the hollows of my cheeks, around my forehead, and around my nose and my jawline. And now we're gonna go into conceal and highlight. So I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm gonna go underneath of my eyes, the center of my face, anywhere I want to brighten and highlight. Once I've blended it all out, I'm gonna go in and bake with some translucent powder. This one is from Laura Mercier, and we're going to set the concealer. Gonna do my brows really quickly off camera, and bam. For the eyes, I want something really minimal today. So I'm actually taking my bronzer and I'm gonna add this in the hollows of my eyes or the crease of the eyes. Think of it as like contouring for your eyes. That's all I'm doing today. Then I'm gonna take a dark brown eyeshadow and I'm going to wing out my eyeliner. And once I have my shape and I filled it in with the angled brush, I'm gonna take a pencil brush and I'm just going to diffuse out that wing. Next up is lashes. I'm gonna curl mascara and add some Lilly Lash Miami. I'll have my discount code in the description bar if you guys wanna use it. And then I'm going to buff out the lower lash line. I'm gonna take a Luminous bronzer to add a little bit of warmth back into the skin. This is just going to bronze up the face. I'm gonna go everywhere that I contoured. Next is blush. This is like a honey, peachy, kind of neutral color. I'm just adding this on the apples of the cheeks and blending it backwards and a little bit on the nose. Now I'm gonna highlight. This is Estee Lauder Heat Wave, one of my faves. I'm just going to slather this all over my skin. When those lights hit your face, it's gonna be beaming. I'm gonna use a two-step process to set my face today. I'm gonna use the Versali mist to make everything melt together, and then the Morphe setting spray to lock it all in. And that is it for the makeup. And I ran out of time for the lip, so I will include that down in the description bar. So this is my outfit. I gotta put my shoes on, but I'm running behind, so a girl's gotta go. But this is my outfit. It's like kind of a tux, but not a tux, but a dress, but I don't know. It's cute. I like it. I like it a lot.
happy to be able to say welcome to the premiere of Lock and Key.
All right, so I was running late. Time got away from me and I just had to like dart out of here and make the red carpet because there was a certain amount of time you can do red carpet before the cast comes. So I like ran out of here and we Ubered, so the Uber took a little bit. But yeah, I wanted to fill you guys in on the night. First and foremost, the show was really good. I really didn't know much going into it except for watching the trailer because it comes from a comic. So they're books and I haven't read the books. So I was really surprised and I'm gonna be binging it this Friday. So I really liked it. I hope you guys like it. If you watch it, let me know down in the comments if you do end up watching it. It was really fun. It was really fun. Everyone was super nice and I'm really glad that I went. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little follow me to a premiere video. Thumbs it up if you did, hit subscribe if you have not. Love you guys so much. Leave me any video requests down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Let's go get some food, girly. Come on. Hey, Molly. Hey. Here, Aspen, come. Big girl. Come here. Ooh, getting big, girly. All right, so we're gonna get some food. This gas station lighting, though. This lighting is great. We're gonna get some food, so I'm on Yelp right now trying to figure out what we're gonna eat. I really want Taco Bell, but my body's telling me I should. So we didn't eat dinner before we went to the premiere. And I'm hungry. So Raphael's pumping gas right now. Now he's coming back over here.
Hey.
What do you want to eat?
I don't know, but
I got the goods. LA feels like Antarctica right now. Like, why is it 38 degrees in California? Molly, let's go, girl. We're going inside. Good luck out here. Now she coming. Come on, Molly. Rule number one, if it's about me, at me so I can see it. Rule number two, if you heard shit that I didn't say, then don't believe it. Something like that. I'm not learning that song. These are like the most unnecessarily big sandwiches ever. Just the sandwiches. There's like chicken fingers in here, buffalo French fries. Like, why do we do this? The after party is lit. The strawberry cheesecake milkshake didn't make it very far. Not even really to the house. There's like nothing left, but it was really good. Mine is good. This is actually really good. Do you want to try it?